Becoming a billionaire seems like a great goal, but unfortunately, it's only a dream for most people. The thing is, many billionaires were not born rich. Some indeed had economic and educational advantages, but even without those, their smart decisions and business choices with a few key characteristics led them to their billions. In this video, we will discuss some important secrets by Jack Ma that can help you become a billionaire. Never skip any part of this video. Let's move straight into the secrets. 1. Look for opportunities. Opportunities sometimes present themselves as challenges. If you try to find solution to these challenges, then they become opportunities. Most people complain when they see these challenges, but once you accept them as opportunities, you are one step ahead. Jack Ma told an audience that when people complain, there lies an opportunity. When people complain about some issues, some try to change the situation for the better. When they change things, they also change themselves for the better. And so, he advises young people that instead of complaining, look for opportunities. This is a great advice and a secret to becoming successful in life. So always look out for opportunities and you'll be successful. 2. Don't be afraid to fail. Many of us are afraid of failing, at least some of the time. But fear of failure is when we allow the fear to stop us from doing the things that can move us to achieve our goals. Jack Ma failed so many times in his life, but he never stopped there. After graduating, he applied for jobs and got rejected 30 times, including by the police. When he applied at KFC, among 24 applicants, 23 were accepted except him. During the World Economic Forum in 2016, he said he has applied to Harvard 10 times and has been rejected every time. It's important to realize that in everything we do, there's always a chance that we will fail. Facing that chance and embracing it is not only courageous, it also gives us a more rewarding life. When you fail the first time, try again and things will work out. So don't be afraid to fail. Try again anytime you fall. Rise up and you'll be successful. 3. Keep your dream alive. One of the most important keys to success is to keep your dream alive. Most people have a dream, but the problem is that they slowly forget about their dreams as the days go by, and eventually they quit and give up on them. In a conference, Jack Ma shared the secret code for Alibaba's success. Just like the fictional character Alibaba, he was able to enter a secret cave with the code Open Sesame. In a similar way, the people working at Alibaba's secret code is keep your dream alive. They kept this in their mind, knowing that it may come true someday, and it did. If you want to achieve your dreams, you must keep them alive. You should hold them into your mind at any moment and keep them alive. Don't let the dream die. Always keep it alive. 4. Be inspired. Remember, no one is an island. We are surrounded by great things and we can pick inspiration from them each and every day. Be inspired by nature, movies, music, and beautiful things that are around us. Jack Ma said that he has learned so many things from movies like The Bodyguard, The Godfather, and Forrest Gump. He also mentioned that he was inspired by how actors deliver their lines, how singers deliver powerful performances. He realized that when people act naturally and speak from the heart, they create great impact. And that is how he tries to inspire others, by being himself. You can learn this from Jack Ma. If you want to be successful in life and become a billionaire, always be inspired. 5. Stay focused. Lack of focus is one of the greatest enemies of productivity. A reporter asked Jack Ma about business ideas he has said no to. He stated that he is still saying no to many business ideas being pushed to him on the daily basis. However, If a business opportunity comes that is aligned with the company's mission, he would consider. But if someone comes to him simply stating that an opportunity will make a lot of money, he will tell them that he is not interested. This comes with a lot of discipline. Once you learn to master it, you become productive. Try and stay focused. Don't do so many things at a time. Make sure you don't do too much of multitasking. Stay focused and you'll be successful. 6. Develop passion. When Jack Ma was starting Alibaba, he explained that they are competing globally, not against Chinese websites, but sites made by companies in Silicon Valley. He encouraged his associates to have a startup attitude, not the usual 8 to 5 work attitude. He believes that they are equal and as strong as the Americans when it comes to information systems and software. He also assured them that although the internet is a bubble, the dream of the internet will not burst, but they have to painfully pay for the dream for the next 3 to 5 years. He told them that IPO is the goal and that they should keep their focus on it. His passion for growth has been the factor that leads to his success. He also encourages his employees to have a startup attitude, not a corporate one. Do same and you'll be successful. 7. Keep customers first. The customer first strategy is not only a strategy, it is a whole mindset of successful business, and it fosters a positive customer experience at every stage of the customer journey. Jack Ma said his philosophy of putting customers first, employees second, and stakeholders third is the right belief. It is the customers that provide revenue for the company, and it is the employees that drive innovation. He recalled that some people who asked him for shares before the IPO, who told him that they would be long-term stakeholders, were also the first to sell when hard times came. However, the customers stayed as well as the employees. So don't forget to keep your customers first. They matter most if you want to be successful in whatever you do. People don't get successful just because of luck. They keep applying few core success principles in their lives that lead them towards success. It is important to develop a mindset for success. Jack Ma is a very successful and influential person with a humble beginning. His hard work and strong cultural beliefs has made him successful. Mainly, he saw the opportunities and has confidence in his team. He started with the end in mind, kept the dream alive, and stayed true to his vision. These are rules that will help many people to become successful. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of such videos. Thank you for watching.